Hello guys, in this tutorial we will continue our discussion of compound measures and we will examine speed. Speed is a compound measure comparing the distance traveled to the time taken to travel the distance. You will need to remember the formula for finding speed, which is speed equal to distance divided by time. Since distance has a certain unit, and time has a different unit, then speed is called a compound measure that compares the distance traveled to the time taken to travel the distance. This is the formula triangle of distance, speed, and time, through which we can come up with the formulae of distance, speed, and time. Distance on top is equal to the product of the bottom terms. So distance is speed multiplied by time, since speed and time are the bottom terms of the formula triangle. To find speed, we hide it this way, where we end up with distance on top over time at the bottom, which is distance divided by time. To find time, we similarly hide it this way, so we end up with distance on top over speed at the bottom, which is distance divided by speed. Let's go over the following example involving speed, time, and distance to examine how we work with these measures and how we use their formula triangle. So a family traveled 288 kilometers in 4.5 hours. What was the average speed for their journey? In this example, we are given the distance, which is 288 kilometers, and the time, which is 4.5 hours. So recall that to find the speed, we first write down the formula triangle as shown to the right, and we cover the speed, where it is equal to distance over time. So we substitute distance and time, thus the distance is 288 kilometers. We divide this by time, which is 4.5 hours, or we say 4.5 hours. This is equal to 64 kilometers per hour. Thus the average speed for the family's journey is 64 kilometers per hour.